Welcome everyone to our business opportunity with LoveBiome. My name is Charles Villasís, and it is my pleasure to be sharing this opportunity with you, an opportunity that is already changing lives all over the world. I like to say we have the opportunity of a lifetime, and that's simply because when you have products that everyone on the planet needs, if you have an intestine, then obviously you need our products. And when you have something that everyone needs, you definitely have an amazing opportunity. So let's talk a little bit about why we can expect so much success with LoveBiome. Well, the main reason is that we're in very good hands. The founders of our company have a track record of 25 years of success. They were the people that originally managed the Tahisha Noni company for the last 25 years, starting with Mr. Kelly Olson, who's the CEO of our company, and Mr. Sean Whitney, the president, and Mr. Cody Day, who is the chief operations officer. I've known each of these gentlemen personally for over 20 years, and they are people of true integrity, and I trust them completely. When I learned that they were starting something new, I immediately had to pay attention. And that's why I joined LoveBiome back in February of 2022, since day one. Now, this is an interesting report done by Fortune Insights. It's a marketing study that was done all over the world, and it shows how the digestive health market, or as we like to say, the microbiome market, will reach $85 billion in the next coming 8 years. So by the year 2030, we are expecting these numbers to actually be in place. And that's why you want to get in early. That's why you want to get in now, before everyone is talking about the gut microbiome. Remember, when you join LoveBiome, you are in business for yourself. Now, it only costs $25 to join and your product purchase. As long as you purchase for your own personal consumption, you are qualified to make money. You can work from anywhere. You create a true residual income that just keeps growing month after month. You receive many tax advantages by being your own boss. And remember, you do business with a global economy. That means that you do not have to limit yourself to your own country. You can actually have your business in many different countries, as I do. This is what's going to help you take control of your life. So where can you sign up people? Well, we are actually in 38 countries at the moment. And it seems like every so often we keep adding more and more countries to the list. So we actually have quite a presence in 6 continents right now. Now, again, it only costs $25 to join LoveBiome. You get your own personalized website, and this is your internet store, so people can go in and shop, and when they pay full retail, you make a retail profit on top of a commission. But if people decide to sign up through your website and become an affiliate, then they don't have to pay the retail price, they pay the affiliate price. But the best price is the subscription price. That is when you automatically get your products sent to you once a month, and this is not only a great way to save money, but it's also very convenient. This way you don't forget to order your product. And it's not a good idea to forget to order your product. Trust me, the products do you so much good that you don't want to do without them. Now, here in the United States, we actually have a wonderful offer. Any product purchase over $300 will give you free shipping. So a lot of people do order 2 packs per month, which brings the price over $300. And it's always good to have an extra pack on hand, because you just don't want one for yourself. You want one for another family member, or if you're married, your partner, your spouse. But you always want to share a pack with somebody. That's how your business is going to grow, by sharing this product. Even if you don't live in the United States, it's still a good idea to have that extra pack on hand. So 2 packs a month is usually what we recommend if you really want to grow your business quickly. Now remember, when you order the daily 3-pack from LoveBiome, it's as if you're ordering 6, maybe 7, maybe even 8 different products all in one system. Because remember, in 3 products, you are getting prebiotics, you're getting probiotics, digestive enzymes, whole foods, detox ingredients, a noni supplement, all built into one system. And if you had to buy all of these ingredients separately in separate products, you'd be spending twice as much money. Believe me, I know, because I used to do it. I used to buy all these different ingredients in separate products, and it used to cost me way over $300. The great thing now is that with LoveBiome, I'm getting better results with just 3 products. This is all I need to take. I stopped taking all these other supplements, and I'm spending half the money. So that's really what it's about here in LoveBiome. It's about making being healthy simple and inexpensive. Now, I love going over our compensation plan because to me this was one of the biggest sellers as to why I would want to be a part of LoveBiome. I always like to say that you can have the best product in the world, and we do, but that might not be enough to have a lucrative business. You also want to match a great product with a very fair and lucrative compensation plan. Now, I've been doing network marketing now for about 28 years, and I can say this is the simplest, most fair, and most generous comp plan I've seen in my entire career. When I understood the comp plan, and it's very simple to understand, I immediately had to be a part of this business because I knew that not only I would make money quickly, but I knew that my people would make money. And that, as a leader, means everything to me. So let's talk about some of the highlights. First of all, one of the things I love about our comp plan is that there is such a simple requirement in order for you to qualify for commissions. It's only 60 PV, 60 in personal volume. Now, when you buy the daily 3-pack, you're actually generating 130 PV. So most people do buy way more than the minimum because 60 PV can be as little as one Phytopower product or two of the other products in our product line. Another thing that I love is that when you have customers that order off of your website, they also generate personal volume for you. They generate PV. So let's say between one or two customers, there's 60 points generated. Well, that qualifies you. So in some cases, you might not even have to order your own product in order for you to qualify for commissions. Your customers will qualify you. So as you can see, it's incredibly easy to qualify for commissions. I like to say that whoever doesn't make money with LoveBiome, it's simply because they don't want to, because the company makes it way too easy to make money. Another thing that I truly appreciate is that we only have 5 leadership ranks, which is wonderful because in some other companies, you'll find as many as 10 or 15 different leadership ranks. And that's way too much. For anyone starting off new in a company, that can be downright intimidating. Some people may actually feel that they'll never get to the top rank. But here in LoveBiome, I think most people can see themselves moving up 5 ranks. And as a matter of fact, many people have done it already. They've gotten to the top rank, that 5th rank. And they've done it in a few months. Some people have done it in less than a year. Some people have done it in less than 6 months. So it is possible to get to the 5th rank rather quickly. It doesn't have to take you years and years. So let's talk about how you advance from rank to rank. The first leadership rank is merchant. Now, this is not a very difficult rank to achieve. As a matter of fact, many people have achieved merchant in their very first month in the business. All you have to do to be a merchant to hit this first leadership rank is sponsor in 3 people to order at least a pack each, and your total organizational volume would have to be 960, which is the equivalent of 8 daily 3-packs. Not too difficult at all. The second rank is builder. In order for you to qualify as a builder, you would need to have a total organizational volume of 4,800, which comes out to approximately 37 daily 3-packs. You'd also have to have a minimum of 3 legs with a volume of at least 720 in each of them. To reach the third rank, leader, your organizational volume will need to be 24,000, which comes out to approximately 185 daily 3-packs throughout your entire organization. You would have to have at least 3 legs moving 3,000 in volume. The fourth rank is star performer. This is where you move 48,000, which is the equivalent of 370 daily 3-packs. You'd need to have at least 4 legs moving at least 6,000 in volume. And then finally, we hit elite performer. Now, this is the top rank. And you hit elite performer when your organization moves 72,000, which is approximately 554 daily 3-packs. You would need to have at least 5 legs moving 7,200 in organizational volume. Now, the question I get is, do you need 554 people in your organization to move 554 daily 3-packs? Well, actually, the answer is no, you don't need that many people because we already know that many people in LoveBiome order more than 1 daily 3-pack. Some people order 2, one for them, one for somebody else, their spouse, for example. And many of the affiliates in LoveBiome also have a customer base. So between their customers, they could be moving extra daily 3-packs. So the answer is no, you don't need 554 people. You probably can hit elite with much less. Now let's talk about how much you can make in each one of the levels in our unilevel aspect of the compensation plan. I want to point out that we pay a large amount on level 1. Much more than many other unilevel plans. We pay 15% on level 1, which is extraordinary. Usually unilevel plans on level 1 pay anywhere from 1 to 5%. That's what would be considered normal, but we pay 15%. Now, who goes on your level 1? Anybody that you personally sponsor. And it could be a personally sponsored affiliate, or it could be a personal customer. And remember, this is a unilevel plan, so you can go as wide as you want. You can have as many people on your level 1 as you want to. You can have dozens, hundreds of people on your level 1 if you wanted to. The wonderful thing about our comp plan is that it does pay weekly on level 1 and part of your level 2. So as people come into your organization, whether they be affiliates or customers personally invited by you, and they make their purchase, you will get paid immediately a week later. And remember, everyone that you personally enroll stays on your level 1. So that means that anytime they make a purchase, they can make a purchase once a month, several times a month, those same people will always pay you a full 15%. Now, on level 2, we see that as long as you become a merchant, which again is not too difficult, you will always get paid no less than 10%. Half of the 10% will pay you weekly, and the other half will pay you on a monthly cycle. As your organization starts to expand and multiply, you'll be making plenty of money on level 3, 4, 5, and 6. As much as 5%. But because we have something called the leadership bonus, on that level 6, you can make as much as 15%. Now, we also have a very interesting pool called the dynamic compression bonus. Without going into too much detail, I can tell you that every time there is a purchase being made somewhere in the world, a percentage of that purchase goes into the dynamic compression pool. So every month this collects a large amount of money, and 16% of this pool is separated and then shared among all the qualified leaders. Then 24% is separated and shared among all the star performers. And then a huge amount, 60%, is shared among all the elite performers in the company. So it's a lot of money going into the hands of just a few people. In the future, we'll definitely have more elite performers to collect their piece of the bonus, but that means that the bonus share will also increase in size. So there really is an unlimited amount of money you can make from this bonus pool. Now, in 2023, we've actually added even more bonuses. We have now something called the achievement bonus, which means that the company will give you a cash prize every time you advance in rank and hit a new goal. Once you get to the builder position, you can make an additional $500 just because you've reached builder. But in the builder rank, there are 3 other advancement bonuses you can make as you grow. Another one for $500, a third one for $750, and a fourth bonus for $1,000. When you reach the rank of leader, you'll make a achievement bonus of $2,500. When you reach the star performer rank, you'll get an achievement bonus of $5,000. And at the elite performer rank, you will get an achievement bonus of $10,000. And then finally, we have an additional global bonus pool, the infinity bonus. Now, this is where the company separates 3% of their entire global volume every month, which is a lot of money. And all of this money is going to the top 2 ranks, all the people that have hit star performer and elite performer. So as you can see, our compensation plan has a lot of aspects to it, but it is quite simple to understand. It's incredibly transparent. You know exactly where the money's coming from. And you could see it's a very balanced compensation plan. You make plenty of money when you first get started. You make a lot more money as you keep growing. And then when you get to the top leadership ranks, that's where you get a piece of these incredible bonus pools, which really drives your income up dramatically. So let's talk about how much money you can make at each rank. Now, as I explained, the merchant rank is not too difficult to achieve. A lot of people are getting to merchant very quickly in this company. And as long as you maintain that rank from month to month, you can expect anywhere from $140 to $500 a month. You will have all of your expenses covered. The price of your product is free. This income may actually be paying for your phone bill, even your gasoline money. So at this point, you no longer have to worry about expenses. You just know that you're going to be making a profit every single month. The second rank is builder, and here, as long as you maintain your rank from month to month, you can expect anywhere from $500 to $1,600 per month. The third rank, leader, will bring you anywhere from a minimum of $1,600 a month to a maximum of $7,700 a month. The fourth rank is star performer. This is where you can make from $7,700 to $20,000 a month. And then finally, we have the elite performer rank. Now, currently, in this year of 2023, we have elite performers in our company making anywhere from $20,000 to $50,000 per month. But the truth is that the income you can make as an elite performer is totally unlimited. As our company progresses and grows and the organizations of the leadership grows, the income will grow. So these incomes at Elite Performer are expected to keep growing in the future. I can easily see the day where elite performers in LoveBiome will be making over $100,000 a month. And not only is the money fantastic, but it's also about the amazing experiences that we have here in LoveBiome. Now, we've only been around for about 16 months, and we've already had a lot of wonderful trips, including a convention in Las Vegas, a few regional trips all over the world, and an elite trip to Dubai. Right now, we want to focus on earning 2 amazing trips that are coming up in 2024, starting with our leadership trip in February of 2024. Now, this is going to be in the world-famous resort of Xcaret in the Riviera Maya, Mexico. It is an amazing place. You'll definitely want to be at this leadership trip. In order to be invited, you just have to qualify at the 3rd rank of leader for 2 months by the end of December 2023. And in case you missed the elite trip this year to Dubai, well, there's always next year. Our next elite trip for all of those who qualify as elite performer will be in September of 2024. Now, it will be a luxury cruise in the Greek islands, something that will truly be an extraordinary experience. You would need to qualify as an elite performer for 2 months by the end of March 2024. So as you can see, what we're inviting people to be a part of is a tremendous adventure. Not only will you acquire optimal health, but you'll also be liberating yourself. You'll have the financial freedom and the time freedom to go on these amazing adventures, to be able to do whatever you want when you want to do it. That's the LoveBiome lifestyle. So you want to get involved and reach your goals as quickly as possible. Now, I know that what most people are concerned about is making money quick enough so that they can pay their bills. And most people would feel very comfortable making $5,000 a month. This would give you an opportunity to go full-time in our business, and you wouldn't have to worry about doing much else. You could just focus on growing your business and your income more and more from this point on. So today I'm going to talk about how to get to that $5,000 per month in 4 simple steps. If you follow these steps, you are on the road to financial freedom. So the first step, or the first goal, would simply be to reach the rank of merchant. Now again, this is not a difficult thing to achieve. Most people can do this in their first month or 2. My suggestion, in order for you to be a solid merchant, is really to aim for at least 5 personally sponsored affiliates and at least 2 customers. Now, why do we want at least 5 affiliates? Well, because if you have anything less than 5, you're really not going to have a very strong foundation. And remember, not everyone that you invite may want to do the business. Some people may just want to be product consumers. So we put them in the customer category. And you'll want to have at least a couple of those. So if you have 7 people enrolled making product purchases and you yourself make your own product purchase, you'll most likely move the 8 packs per month that's required to qualify as merchant. Remember, level 1 pays 15%, so you will always make $20 per pack. And if customers buy at retail, then you'll make an additional retail profit, which brings your earnings per customer to $40 per pack. Now, at the same time, you want to also focus on helping your affiliates sponsor in their people. So you do your best to help them get to their goals. Now, remember, as you start developing that level 2, that's going to pay you 10%, which comes out to approximately $13 per pack. And all this starts to multiply as more and more people start coming into your level 1 and level 2, which can give you a pretty significant income right away. Your goal number 2 would be to get 5 affiliates to merchant, and that makes you become a builder. Remember, each merchant should also have the goal of personally sponsoring at least 5 affiliates and 2 customers each. This will ensure that they will have the 960 in organizational volume required, and it will definitely ensure that you'll have the 48,000 in organizational volume required in order for you to become a builder and to stay a solid builder. Goal number 3 would be to get 5 merchants to builder, and this has you become a leader. Now, technically, to become a leader, the company doesn't require you to have 5 legs, but you might as well focus on building 5 legs because that's what's going to set you up to get to the top of a compensation plan. If 5 builders just get to the bare minimum of 4,800 in organizational volume, you will definitely reach the 24,000 in organizational volume to become a leader. And as your builders keep growing, you will definitely be a solid leader. So really, the secret to making it in this compensation plan is really to focus on the number 5, as you can see. Everyone should have at least 5 people that they can run with, 5 people that are true partners, people that really want success as badly as you do. And a solid leader means that you will definitely be making, on average, $5,000 per month. Now, if we take this one step further and achieve a 4th goal, we can actually max out the compensation plan. That 4th goal would be to get 5 builders to 14,400 in organizational volume. And when that happens, you will definitely become an elite performer. You've reached the very top of the compensation plan, that 5th rank, simply by helping your 5 builders grow. So in this example, your 5 builders are moving approximately 111 daily 3-packs within their organizations. That's a little bit more than halfway to leader. Remember, leader is where you make $5,000 a month on average. So your 5 people definitely would like to make $5,000 a month. You just want to make sure that they're on their way. And you, as a solid elite performer, can make anywhere from $20,000 to $50,000 a month or more as you keep growing. Now remember, the best part about all this is that we are still very much a new company. We are still very much a well-kept secret in the industry, but that's not going to be the case for long. Pretty soon, everyone is going to know about LoveBiome. LoveBiome will be a household name all over the world, but we are getting in now before everybody else does. And that's incredible, because if you know anything about how fortunes are made in the network marketing industry, it's when people get in early before the masses do. Right now, we are entering our 2nd stage of concentration. We've been in formulation for like the last year and a half. And at some point, we're going to hit this point where critical mass starts to occur. That would be the very start of the momentum phase. Now, traditionally, momentum phases for network marketing companies can last anywhere from 10 to 20 years. And then eventually we'll hit stability where people will still join and make money. But the biggest money to be made is during the momentum phase. This is where the fortunes are made. This is where the millionaires are made. In the previous company that the founders of LoveBiome ran, the Tahisha Noni company, during that momentum phase, there were over 250 millionaires created. Now, I personally believe that we're going to create a lot more millionaires here in LoveBiome because we're growing at a faster rate. And obviously, we have a more complete product and a much more lucrative compensation plan. So we have everything in place to have even a stronger momentum phase. So you definitely want to take advantage of that. You want to ride that wave for the next 10, 15, 20 years and claim your fortune with LoveBiome. So to recap, we have all the ingredients for incredible success in LoveBiome. We have a globally needed product. I mean, if you have an intestine, you need the product. We have an experienced corporate team which will give us decades of prosperity in the future. As you can see, we have a simple and very lucrative compensation plan, and the timing could not be more perfect. So the only thing missing in this scenario, in this puzzle, is you. Your decision to be a part of this incredible journey and your commitment to make your goals a reality. So we invite you to join the team today. Remember, you'll acquire everything you can possibly need with LoveBiome: optimal health, financial freedom, and plenty of fun and adventure. So what do you do to get started? Well, talk to the person who shared this presentation with you. They're going to show you how to fill out an online application on a website. It literally takes less than 5 minutes. You will pay a $25 membership fee one time, and you'll order your products to get started. Now, there are basically 3 options. A, the complete pack, which is $190 plus shipping and handling. And this gives you everything. It gives you the 4 products that we currently have in our product line. B would be at least the daily 3-pack, which are the 3 products designed for optimal gut microbiome health. And again, we always recommend getting the 3 products to use as a system. This is the way you're going to get the best results possible in the quickest amount of time. That would be $155 plus shipping and handling. And then C, the minimum purchase for qualification would be 60 PV. And the way to do that would be to order at least 1 Phyta Power for $75 or to pick 2 of the other products for $80 total, plus the shipping and handling. So these are your 3 options. I'm always going to recommend getting either the daily 3-pack or the complete pack because you're going to want to have the full experience. And again, when you use all of our products, you're going to get the best results in the quickest amount of time. And remember, for the US market only, you get free shipping on all orders over $300. So I hope you enjoyed our presentation, and I wish you the greatest success possible when you become a part of our LoveBiome family.